Yes, indeed. Completely overcome. Completely overwhelmed with emotion. Is Marc Marquez. The comeback king has taken the throne once again as the MotoGP world champion. You will need to have a heart of stone not to be moved right now by the images, these moving images which we are watching. The coronation of the comeback king here. Just on the right hand side of your picture is Jose Luis Martinez. One of Marc's real close confidence. He's been at his side for over a decade. Here comes the world champion's bid for the first time in 6 years.